Friday! All right. Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, your #1 channel, all things blue collar. Don't forget, subscribe. Subscribe to us. We'd love for you to subscribe. Follow along with us. As you know, today's Firebird Friday. This is the first time that I'm doing a Firebird Friday Labor of Love build. It's actually on Turnin and Burnin, and not my family channel, Wright Family Adventures. So if y'all been following along, thank you so much. So I'm actually doing this on a Friday, which is kind of weird because I have Firebird Fridays, but I'm really not doing it on a Friday, but I am today. So this is like a special edition Firebird Friday, Labor of Love. All I want to do today is I wanted to show you around the car, give you an update of where I am at. And it's that way y'all can see where I'm at, because you know, I'm gonna run out of episodes for Firebird Friday if I don't give you this update right now. Because been busy at work, I'm finally here. I'm gonna be at the shop a lot more. That's the goal. I actually am excited. I just put money down on an engine and a transmission. I don't know if I should tell you what the motor is yet. I kind of want to say something. It's big. That's all I'm going to say. I don't want to give you any more details. I'm super excited about that. Also, this rear end over here, oh yeah, although she is original and she is a beauty, and she came with this car. I got a replacement coming. Yes I do, yes I do. I won't tell you everything about that one yet either. I want that to be a surprise. And not only that, but I have something that's going to be in the next episode in this box right here. And I have to come over this way, so you don't know what it is. You may have seen it. That box right there. Something I was gonna fabricate, but you know what? Got such a good deal, and the guy was amazing. Did everything. I went ahead and purchased that, and that's gonna be in next Friday's episode. But for right now, I want to show you around the car, show you where I'm at, show you an update, I guess you could say, on this beauty back here. That way you know what's going on. So this is what she looks like right now. Obviously you've seen in the last episode she was up here and I was doing the trunk and everything, and I actually have the trunk panel in, welded out, and what I'm doing right now is I'm putting a little Bondo in here to make it look good before I weld these pieces in. That's what I'm actually going to do today. I'm not going to show you all that. Pretty much the same thing, just gonna line these up, line the holes up, weld them out, not a big deal. But I'm just putting a Bondo in here, just that way it looks really nice. But these pieces are in, this piece I should say is in, welded up nicely. I know when it's all said and done, you're not gonna see any of this. I'm gonna kind of box all this in. That's the plan, but I still want it to look good because I know what's underneath here. And I got a little bored and I started sanding and stuff. Kind of trying to see what I got. Got some old Bondo spots just to kind of see where I'm at. So maybe I got a little ahead of the game, but I started doing that, and it's like, ooh, gonna be a lot of body work to do. But that's where we're at. We'll come around this way. Kind of start sanding here too. I just wanted to kind of see where we're at. Maybe I shouldn't have done that, but I did. I didn't show this in any of the videos, I don't believe, but I did the two rear pans, that one and that one. Got those nice and fitted up. Started welding them out. For the most part, they are pretty much welded out. I still need to get underneath the car and do the welding underneath there. But like I said, there's a surprise in that box over there. Next video, we will check it out and see what it is. So we'll come along this side. You know what, I'm not even gonna cut and edit and do anything cool. I'm just gonna make this a one-shot wonder. Come in here and I kind of started doing a little bit of sanding in here, checking this out, and I've got some bad spots in here that I was kind of bummed about seeing. And here you can see I've started chipping them out, getting rid of all the rust that I can. I'm gonna have to weld these pieces up. Kind of a bummer, but you know what? I'm glad that I did it. I didn't just sand and paint over it. Same with the front here. I saw some pieces that did not look too good. They're kind of gnarly looking. So kind of putting that back on the list. And as y'all saw in the video, pulled the front end clip out and had the new front end delivered. And right now what I did is I went ahead and I primed and painted the clip. I just used rattle cans because she was bare metal and she's starting to rust. So I went ahead and got some paint on there, some black paint. And it was actually a while back when I did this, and it's still looking pretty good. Obviously it hasn't been out in the weather, but the plan is hopefully once I get this clip back in there, get the motor, transmission, everything in there, because you gotta remember right here I'm still gonna have to weld the motor mounts. Once I get all that in there, probably gonna pull it back out and get her all powder coated. So that is an update of where I am with the labor of love build. Let me flip this bad boy around. You can see my ugly mug. That is an update. That is where I'm at. It's finally cooler weather here where I live. As you see the hoodie, I can be in here and I can't complain and moan and groan. Oh my gosh, it's so hot, blah, blah, blah. Now I'm just gonna complain it's too cold. But finally, getting back in the mood, got some things ordered. I'm excited. I'm gonna give y'all some more of these episodes. I know this one was kind of short, but I hope you're following along. I enjoy bringing this to you. It's just it's one of our hobbies. It's what we do, turning and burning. We work hard so we can play hard. But that's it for this video. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. We would really love it. Tune in every Monday. There'll be a new Turnin and Burnin episode out. And every Friday for FIREBIRD Friday. That's it. See you later. Signing off. Salute. Salute. I don't know, I'm just trying something different. Peace.